In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add Canva to Squarespace. If you've designed something in Canva like a flyer presentation or interactive graphic, and you want it to appear right on your Squarespace site, embedding is a quick and reliable way to do it. I'll walk you through the exact process, and along the way I'll share a few tips to help it look great on your page. Start by opening your finished design in Canva. Make sure everything looks the way you want it to appear on your website. Check your colors, fonts, and spacing, and confirm you are on the specific page or version you want to embed. When you are ready, look to the top right corner and click Share. This is where Canva keeps all the ways to publish or distribute your design. In the Share panel, click More to see additional options, then choose Embed. Canva will generate an HTML embed code for you. Go ahead and copy that entire code. Don't worry if it looks technical. You are just going to paste it into Squarespace and it will do the rest. Now switch over to your Squarespace site and open the page where you want the design to appear. Enter the page editor, then add a new block in the spot where you want your Canva content to live. Scroll through the block options and select Code. This block is specifically meant for HTML and is perfect for embeds like this. Click into the code field and paste the HTML embed code you copied from Canva. You should see a preview box appear, or a placeholder if you are in a simplified editing view. Either way, the code is in the right place. With the code added, adjust the size of the block so your design fits nicely on the page. You can drag the corners or edges of the block to make it wider or taller. Aim for a size that keeps your design clear and readable without overwhelming the rest of your content. If your page has multiple sections, consider how this embedded design flows with headings, text, and images around it to keep the layout balanced. When everything looks good, save your changes. That's it. Thanks for watching.